What's up everybody, my name is Sinchix and welcome to another Green Hell video. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of the worm. Now you've probably just fallen asleep, you are too tired, didn't make it to your bed, and now you've slept on the floor and there's a worm under your arm, which can really be annoying, to be honest. So I have two, I think I only have two. Yep, okay, just two worms. So it takes away your sanity, it doesn't take away your HP or anything, which, you know, might seem okay at first, but when you start getting hallucinations, it's really not fun. So you really need to take care of that. So what you're gonna want to do is take a bone or a fish bone, and you're gonna harvest the bone, and you get needles from that. So then you just inspect your arm, poke out the worm with the needle, and then put a bandage on that, and you're good to go. You can use any bandage, I think. I'm just gonna do the second worm with a different bandage just to make sure. So again, you're gonna take a needle, poke the worm out, and I'm just gonna take a basic bandage. Yeah, okay. You can take any bandages then, and just patch the wound. Okay guys, so that's basically it. There's nothing else to add. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, please subscribe, like the video, comment, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye guys.